Individuals, what's going on? Happy Halloween. All right, now, as most of you, some of you may know, this year I'm gonna be dressing up as Jack Sparrow. That's why I've been growing out this ridiculous little fuzzy, sad mustache, little patch, hairy thing. Anyways, I am getting dressed right now. Some of these pieces are just from my own wardrobe, like this Henley shirt, these brown chinos, brown boots, this vest I did get off of Amazon, and everything from here on out that I add that you guys will see in this video, I did get off of Amazon, so I'll be sure to link all these pieces down in the description below for any of you watching in 2021 that want to dress up as Jack Sparrow. Now my brother David is about to do the makeup, so let's go ahead and jump right into that. Let's roll. So we have the dreads right here, I got off Amazon. And then for the little goatee braids, I just took some of this hair, had my wife braid it. We put some rubber bands on them, as you guys can see, and then cut that piece off, cut it in half, and then my brother Dave glued on the two right here with some adhesive or something like that. I don't know what it's called, I'm not a makeup guy, but yeah, glued them on. And so yeah, these two are from this. Now it's time to seal the deal, complete the look. Ooh, ooh, money. Even got my little chopstick right here. And guys, please don't judge me if some things are off. This is not a makeup channel. This is not a costume tutorial channel. This is just me having some fun. That's terrible, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, stop. I feel like you're a gym in person.
Your dream come true? Bree said she's always had a fantasy about Jack Sparrow. Dude, me too. So guess who showed up? Representing with a Jesus piece, baby. What it do, what it is, what it was, when it was. Shoot, you gotta be Christian on here, okay?
We married.
But we Bill Murray, girl.
Oh my gosh, you look like Jack Sparrow.
You wanna have some fun in there?
Dre's gonna dress like this every day.
It's sick. I love dressing.
Hey, cuz. Look it without. I actually like it without.
Oh
fire, huh?
shoot, both of it's good.
I know, I just need to walk around like this. What up, Bessie? You wanna get freaky with Jack Sparrow tonight? Come sit right here.
Stop!
So there's the final look. So I put on some accessories, just some random stuff. Oh, and I got the, you know I got the medallion thing from freaking Curse of the Black Pearl, the little coin. You know I'm on it, son. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Come in all epic, just
Okay.
nice and slow. Alright, hopefully nobody asks me to freaking act out a scene or something, because that ain't happening. Who drank all the bloody rum? I don't know, that's all I got. Alright guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you dug it, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, hit that notifications button to be informed when I drop some new content, and hope you guys stay safe during this holiday season, during your Halloween, and hey, I'll see you next time. For some of you, I'll see you next year for my next costume fit. Alright, shaka bra.